Welcome back to The Explainer, everyone. I am so excited for this one. Today we're unpacking a truly fascinating biochemical process that we're calling the honey reset. We are looking at how you can actually catalyze your gut microbiome's restoration entirely naturally, and it's all thanks to a specific enzymatic chain reaction found right inside raw honey.
Okay, let's dive into this. Can raw honey really trigger a full biochemical gut reset? Now, most of us just view honey as a simple, natural sweetener, right? Maybe you put it in your tea when you have a sore throat. But what we're learning is that at a molecular level, raw honey acts as a profoundly powerful biological catalyst for targeted gut restoration. It's way more than just sugar.
So, let's start with part one, the gut microbiome reset.
To really understand the solution here, we first have to recognize the baseline problem. And that problem is a stagnant, unbalanced gut environment. Getting from this kind of sluggish, bogged-down starting point to a thriving, vibrant ecosystem, well, it isn't a matter of magic. It absolutely requires a specific, targeted biochemical disruption to clear out that stagnation and actually foster new growth. And that is exactly where our key catalyst comes into play. That crucial molecular spark, it really comes down to one specific enzyme, glucose oxidase. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how introducing this single, precise enzyme acts as the ultimate initiator. It is inherently present in raw honey. You see, microbial restoration in your digestive tract doesn't just happen spontaneously out of nowhere. It needs a kickstart. Introducing this exact enzyme is what kicks off the entire systemic transformation.
Which brings us to part two, the enzymatic chain reaction.
So this chain reaction follows a highly regulated step-by-step biological sequence. Step 1, it starts physically by simply introducing raw honey into the digestive tract. Step 2, once it's in this totally unique internal environment, the glucose oxidase enzyme literally wakes up and activates. And then step 3, this activation triggers the most critical event of all, a controlled release of hydrogen peroxide. Now notice the word controlled there. This isn't just some chaotic random sweep of your gut, it's a highly sequential, deliberate biochemical event.
Let's look closer at that in part 3, selective hydrogen peroxide release.
I know, generating hydrogen peroxide in your gut might sound a little alarming at first, but its brilliant mechanism lies in its selective, dual-action nature. And this brilliantly illustrates the genius of the process. Rather than just wiping out everything in its path like a traditional antibiotic might, it selectively targets and neutralizes the harmful pathogens that are actually causing that gut stagnation. Simultaneously, and this is the crazy part, it actually nourishes and supports beneficial strains, specifically bifidobacterium. Taking out the bad guys while literally feeding the good guys, that is the true engine of microbiome restoration.
Precise, natural, molecular signaling. That is the core takeaway right there. This targeted ability boils down to exactly that. It's not a blunt force instrument at all. The reason the hydrogen peroxide selectively targets pathogens while totally sparing the beneficial bacteria is because it operates on specific biological communication. The entire restoration relies on these natural molecular signals knowing exactly what to do and precisely where to do it.
Let's pull it all together in part 4, a thriving ecosystem restored.
So let's look at this fully restored biological loop one more time. By introducing raw honey's glucose oxidase, we spark a controlled generation of hydrogen peroxide. Through that precise molecular signaling we just talked about, that peroxide selectively neutralizes the harmful pathogens while actively nourishing the beneficial bifidobacterium. The end result? A once stagnant environment is completely transformed into a thriving ecosystem. It's a perfect, targeted reset, directly catalyzed by nature itself.
As we wrap up today's explainer, I want you to consider this. We've just seen how a single enzyme in raw honey uses precise molecular signaling to completely transform a stagnant gut into a thriving ecosystem. It really begs the question, doesn't it? If nature has engineered this highly targeted, incredibly smart solution, what other incredible biochemical resets are out there just waiting to be triggered by natural enzymes?